A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of south-central Glasgow and northern Jefferson counties through 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm or near Gibson, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 40 to 50 miles per hour wind and increased chance of a brief tornado. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. While wind speed could result in minor damage to tree limbs and blowing around and light, unsecured objects, the storm has also exhibited localized rotation. A brief tornado could quickly form. Locations impacted include Wren's, Stapleton, Avera, Edgehill, Matthews, Stellaville, and Stapleton's Crossroads. People outdoors should seek shelter immediately. The 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observation